Sanibonani ninjani. I hope you guys are okay. Please make sure you subscribe and you like and you comment. Today we're speaking about IFP Gauteng Secretary General uAl Khongobese okade dutshuliwe ngeweekend. Okay, usisitshelele ukuthi how he played as if ngabe umuntu oshonile after bezama ukumbulala ngamabullets awu-12. Yo ngenkathi bese hostela and lapha ehostela bengahambe yedwa behamba ne-MP a member of parliament uKhetha Mabala Petros Sithole on Saturday. Yena ke akasekho emhlabeni ubese yashona. Ekhuluma nathi ke uLentuzane uSithole akhuluma nathi kuNgobese usitshelile ukuthi how yena noSithole neminyaka u-80 u-68 kanye nenye member of parliament ade behamba nawo uSambulo Nxumalo uthi nje bebezimele nje ngaphandle kwetende lapha yana hostela ngoba kade kunomhlangano webranch lapha ebuya futhi ehostela ekahle konke egazi ubomzulu ehostela ebuya futhi niyakwazi phela lapha ekuruleni uthi ke base nje beapproachwa ke amadoda amabili asemancane ezakubona uthe uNxumalo was short esifubeni and usakhona usesesibhedlela. Umunye kubonileke naye usitshelile uthi cha ngempela kade bezimele nje uNgobese noSithole kanye nalomunye uSambule kwasi kuyaqhamuka ke ababulali bababulala. However uwitness uthi lababulala bababulele kade belokhu bekhona ekwi-area for the past 3 days. Uthi kuyakholelwa uthi nje belokhu behleli since ngolwesithathu belokhu nje bezulazula nje ukuthi becheck coast. Uthi ke bayakholelwa ukuthi labantu laba abade ababulele nade bezama ukubulala uNgobese abasenkandla kwaZulu Natal. Uyasho uNgobese uthi njengamanje yena nomndeni wakhe sebehlalele uvalweni ngoba yize nesindile kodwa akazi ukuthi ke lamadoda asengabuya yini. Uthi nje aveleze nje kuthina as confront. Uthi ke ayena awuthi ke I was shot in the head but the bullet came out after I was shot. I took a cover and pretended to be dead in fear of being finished off. Uthi ayagaza ngihleke uthi Ngobese inhlamvu ingene ekhanda yasiyaphumela ngale ekhanda. Uthe emva kalokho uzenza umuntu engathi ushonile wapretend engathi usefile sesizulwini ukuze ababulali bamiyeke. uNgobese ke lo IFP uthi uyabelievela ukuthi cha akuzona izimpi zepolitiki lezi futhi akubona ubugebengu because there was nothing was taken from them. Uthi we were not expecting something like this to happen. We don't know the reason behind the shooting. They shot at us, but there was a huge group of people outside the venue. There were even young kids. I fear for my life now. I don't know if these people will come back and finish me off. Malume kaSithole ke osicelile ukuthi yena akafuna ukuthi aneme noma asho igama lakhe ocela ukuthi akangakhuluma igama lakhe ngoba usabela safety yakhe. Uthi uzwile naye isibham uzwile ama gunshots wasiyazibuza ukuthi ngabe ubani lo osebulawa kanti bengazi ukuthi sekubulawa umshana wakhe. Uthi ke when he came closer to the scene warealize ukuthi hayibo uSithole nje lona and ubeseshonile uSithole ke ngalo nkathi. Uthi I had to close his eyes and take off his watch ushumalume. Uthi ngibe sengimvala ke amehlo ngathatha iwash lakhe. I don't know why umshana wami bembulele ngodlamulo kanjena ngoba umuntu opeaceful futhi umuntu othanda ukuthula futhi benama manners. Ngiyabelievela ukuthi ube yitarget and labantu ade bezoshutha bebengekho abazange bashuthe wonke umuntu ku-event bavele bayakena. Uyangibuza ngiyazibuza njengamanje ukuthi kungani umshana wami ebulewe, yisiphi isizathu sakhe ukuthi abulawa, ngabe wenzeni, yini la yenzile noma ngabe wone bani njengamanje. Uthi ke icala selivuliwe emaphoyiseni and amaphoyisa awakenzi any arrest kanjalo njengenjwayelo kamaphoyisa athi asaphenga. Umkhuleko Hlengwake oyideputy transport minister aphinda kwi-IFP national spokesperson owa-redeploya futhi eParliament uthi bayazwelana nomndeni oshonelwe kodwa kwamanje beyi-IFP abafuna uqamba amanga bathi mhlawumbe kukhona bakusolayo noma yini kodwa abazi yize bebelievela ukuthi vele beyi-target yokuthi kuzobulawa labantu ngoba namanje basasho ukuthi akukho okuthathiwe akukho kwenzakalile kodwa labantu laba bavele nje babadubula straight. Uyaphinda ke uNgobese uyasho ukuthi cha lentuzane le ebingaziwa nayimedia le ndaba yokuthi kade bezoba bese hostela ekahle konke kodwa le ndaba beyaziwa ibona kanye nabantu be-IFP ongenza ukuthi-ke mhlawumbe-ke lento iqhamuka kubona abantu be-IFP. However, uthi uNgobese yena abanazi iy'ngxabano that he is aware of as iqembu okwamanje. Ubey'tshela ukuthi yena kunokuthula nje kuyazwaniwa kanti akabuzange elangeni.